good morning everybody. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Truelove Quilts for you. Truelove Quilts for you. Usually I'm all like happy. I gotta tell you what happened the other day. Can you see what's behind me? We got a phone call from our number 7 son, Francois. Oh, dear Francois. Is he a dear? Hey, Mom. Could you make some cushions for the Adirondack chairs that we've built up at the cabins? I'm like, no. No. He goes, well, you have a sewing machine, and if I had a sewing machine, I could do it. It's easy, right? We have the fabric, and it was funny because I'm listening to this conversation, and Ian had come into my room. Are you there, Ian?
Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
Our phone, come, I'm videoing.
Oh, you want me?
No, I want you.
You really want me?
Just sit there.
Okay.
Are you, yeah.
Is this a setup?
Yeah. Well, you were in on the conversation with Francois.
Oh, you're talking about this lot?
Yeah, I'm talking about this lot.
Yeah.
And
what we do for our kids.
No, what I do for our kids.
Well, I was doing a test earlier on.
No, what I do. So
Right then.
it was on. Francois was on speaker. Was it on your phone or my? No, it was on my phone. On speaker, and Francois was like, "Oh, so hey, Mom, could you make me cushions?" And I'm like, no. And Ian, who's
I'm so kind.
He's so kind, and I'm not.
So thoughtful,
Ian is going,
so giving.
Of course,
of
darling.
my wife's time.
Of course, darling. We can make the cushions, and I'm like, no, I don't do cushions. So, I really don't want to do cushions, right? And Ian's like, no. He's saying, we'll do them. I'll help you. So.
Yes, I've got this vision, and Jean will explain it in a moment. What I said immediately, because I'm a sailor in my dreams, and I'm so handy.
He's going to help me. He's going to
wife.
make some cushions with me.
Yes, I have dreams of my
Of sewing.
Jean. Yeah, of sewing. Yeah, I used to play on the treadle of a Singer sewing machine. You know those ones where the lady would rock the foot pedals, and around would go the Singer sewing machine. So I've always been around sewing.
Oh, you haven't.
But my thought immediately was, perhaps Jean could teach me to use the sail right.
No, I'm not doing the sail right. I can make these. Anyway, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not getting that big, huge machine out. Anyway.
Well, I'm big and huge.
Yeah, I know you are. I'm big and huge.
I could get it out.
So anyway, Ian's saying to Francois. Francois very businesslike. He's like, okay, Mom, you can make this, right? You can do this. And I'm like, no. And Ian's like, we can do that for him. We can do that. So I'm like, okay, quilters don't make cushions. So Francois goes, well, Dominic, the cabins are up in Dominic's, in the Poconos. Dominic owned a sailboat. Dom and Sarah owned a sailboat, if you remember that. And they had bought a ton of this beautiful, it's getting a little bit old now, it's been hanging around.
It was a yacht. It wasn't just a boat.
Okay.
I had a boat. They had
a big yacht.
What was it, 47 foot?
48 foot.
48 foot. Wow.
That sounds like you're bragging.
Intercontinental.
Yeah.
Well, I am. I actually sailed it.
Okay, anyway.
Well, I sat in the back while they sailed it.
Shush.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, shut up. So anyway, he bought all of this Sunbrella fabric. Like, it's really, really nice. It's not like cheesy outdoor fabric. It's Sunbrella fabric, fade resistant. They bought it for whatever they were doing, for their biminis or for their coaches. So they have a ton of this fabric that they dropped off so kindly. And then what happened, though, I'm in a bit of a conundrum. Francois said, well, we'll drop the fabric off, and he gave me the measurements, 22 inches by 21 inches for the seat cushions.
About the size of my rear end, I think.
So they might fit your rear end. So then he says, well, I'll leave it up to you to get the foam and the zippers. And I'm like, and thanks, Mom. We'll pay you for whatever it is. Because, that was the kicker. He goes, cushions are expensive. They're like 45 bucks each for the nice zippered sombrello, high density foam cushions. And I'm like, well, he says, we have the fabric. So I was very, very, not enthusiastic.
Very willing.
I'm not willing at all. I'm not willing. So
she loves her children.
I do love our
she'll
children.
Do anything for them.
I'm making
Almost.
Stupid cushions. So did you get the zippers?
Zippers.
So I got the zippers.
Yes.
And I've never done the zipper by the roll. I may video this because I don't know. Francois actually said, well, you can get these zippers by the roll, and then they come with all these. I don't know.
With fixings.
The fixings. Yeah, you'll work that out. So I went to Amazon and they didn't have this. So I went to Joann Fabrics in this country, right? And I ordered, because immediately I do know foam, I do know cushions. I ordered, having scrolled through quite a few pages at Joann Fabrics, I ordered 4-inch high density foam, which is really good. Well, the foam came yesterday. It's 4 inches by 24 inches by 72 inches.
Ordered. That was what was ordered. And on the website, Jean showed me, there it was, 4-inch. You click that you want to buy it. And if you don't look at the fine print, someone's made a mistake. They're offering 4-inch thick foam. And what you actually get, having purchased 4-inch foam, is 3-inch foam. So what do we do? Does Jean send it back and wait another 2-3 weeks and all the rigmarole of getting a refund, etc.? Well, what did I do this morning?
Ian tested out my foam and.
But she photographed. What did you do?
I videoed.
You videoed me.
Oh, because you're
I'm in my pajamas.
And
I look like someone fresh out of where? Sing Sing with her striped pajamas.
Oh yeah, you did. Ian, what are you doing?
Oh boy, you found me out.
No, I'm going to return it.
Oh, are you?
But
I don't. Okay, you ordered 4-inch foam.
Yeah.
This feels lovely.
It's only 3 inches, and I think Francois said 3 inches, but I don't know. Oh, careful! Don't fall down the stairs. Is it careful, Ian? Is it comfortable on your
exercise
on your bottom?
No, this is going to be on what?
On a hard Adirondack chair.
Yeah, Adirondack chairs. And I've sat in those chairs.
Yeah.
Up at the cabins.
Yeah, but are they?
No, this feels pretty good. I think this is fine.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, but it's gonna be weeks before you can get it changed.
I know.
Just make sure you weren't charged for 4-inch.
No, I was charged. That's the whole thing.
Well, you need a refund or a.
But then, do I make the cushions and have to return this film?
Well,
the foam.
Kids wanted it for the get together.
I know. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got the zippers. I got 3-inch foam, which is quite nice. You said it's okay on your butt. Yeah.
It was nice.
But I don't know what we do.
And considering a Adirondack chair that the boys
made.
Dominic.
Yeah, Dominic made.
Dominic on his own?
I believe Dominic just made them.
Yeah, these Adirondack chairs, they look exactly what you'd buy in.
Yeah, and he did them with
wherever.
all. He did them with all leftover. What is that?
Francois Truelove.
That's not. No.
It is.
It's not Francois.
It's Francois.
Oh no.
I think it was Francois. Oh no, it's Niles.
Oh no, it's Niles. It's another. Okay.
All right, we'll have to pause a second.
No, go.
Oh,
because
go?
he might want something. Don't answer.
Oh, what?
Don't answer it, Ian. No.
Hello, Niles.
So anyway, I'm going to be making cushions, but Ian has to cut this foam down. Like I've seen him do it at Joann Fabrics, and it's like with a hot not a hot knife, like a carving knife. So we have to cut this. It's 24 inches. We have to cut it down to 22. I'm not happy, but I got this stuff. It's wrong, but they want them, and it's nice. It's nice. All different kinds. They have the gray, the stripe. I have to make 8 of them, so I got 3 of this lot. So I have enough cushions for 9. Yeah. So that's my thing. Ian is very, very nice. I literally was going, no, no. It's as bad as trying to hem pants, right? Oh. Ian just bought 2 suits. We went to Kohl's. He just bought 2 suits, and I have to hem the pants.
These brand new suits on the hanger are getting all creased up.
I'm not hemming the pants.
Because I asked you weeks ago, was it last year?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
To hem,
I know.
hem my suit pants. You said there'll be no problem at all.
I did not say that.
You did.
I did not say that.
As you said, make sure they fit your waist, and of course if they fit my waist, you have to have like 9-foot legs.
Exactly. I don't want to have your pants. Take them to the dry cleaners.
No.
No.
But I have amazing seamstress.
I don't want to hem your
For a
pants.
wife. Oh, my darling, please.
Quilters don't hem pants, right? Quilters don't make cushions. But mothers and wives do. So that's what I'm going to do. I got to hem these stupid pants. I'm like, take them to the dry cleaners, right? Because he has short legs and they come like this long. I'm like, just take him to the cleaners and get a tailor to do it. But that's expensive. I get it. And I've hemmed pants my whole life, but I hate doing it. I hate doing it. I can't stand doing it. Mending, sewing on buttons. I'll make you a new suit. I won't hem your pants. But I'm a good mother. I'm a good wife. And my next few days projects, because I don't know how I'm going to do them. I got to figure out these zippers. I'm going to be making cushions. We got to cut this silly foam down that was wrongly delivered. Oh my goodness. So I'm usually like, ah. I'm not a happy camper, although they need camping cushions for their chairs. Anyway, folks, stay tuned. See how I get on with my cushions. Love you. Bye-bye.